Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 463 Aurora Street in Lancaster.
This is a spectacular, picture-perfect home with scenic nature views.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour.
This charming front entry includes an original door and hardware, opening to an expansive dining room, great for entertaining, and an open kitchen with beautiful wood cabinetry and a breakfast bar, all with hardwood floors.
Enjoy the big family and friends get-togethers in this spectacular entertainment-sized great room. With soaring 9.5-foot ceilings with crown molding, a gorgeous gas fireplace with a decorative mantel and built-ins, and a wall of windows with deck access. Plus, a convenient first-floor bedroom and full bathroom. The space is exceptional.
The excitement continues upstairs with 5 spacious bedrooms and 2 baths, including this private primary suite with panoramic country views and a spa bathroom. The beautifully designed addition is in harmony with a charming and original home. The quality construction is evident in the details.
Let the good times continue on this expansive, maintenance-free deck with a pergola for cooling shade and multiple sitting areas, some built in, all overlooking the beautiful landscaping and vast acreage with a scenic pond. Imagine the endless possibilities.
This rear parcel has the option for additional acreage. This is a great place, Rob.
Yes, this is the charming village of Lancaster with great restaurants and shops. There's always something fun to do. All with easy access to everything the Buffalo area has to offer. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 463 Aurora Street in Lancaster.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!